Hello people of the internet, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Tatiana. It's lovely to have you here. I received a little package from Rihoas, so we have a bunch of summary pieces to look at, to try on, to talk about. So I'm not gonna talk too much right now and we're just gonna get into it. As always, here are my sizes in case you'd like to compare how it fits on me versus how it might fit on you. The light is kind of going crazy right now. It's cloudy and sunny, so hopefully it's not gonna mess with the video too much. But let's go through these pieces. First up, we've got this gorgeous gingham red dress. I feel like the brand has kind of stepped up their material game. It feels very soft and high quality. I think it's cotton. And it's actually lined with a very soft fabric on the inside. I do think it's polyester, but it feels very soft and nice on the skin, so I'm genuinely excited about the progress that they are making, because I feel like some of the previous pieces that I have tried didn't feel as soft as the package that I received today, which is crazy, and I'm very excited. I also feel like the pieces fit a little bit better this time. Like, I feel like they are a little more true to size, because before that everything was a little too long or a little too wide, even though I really followed the sizing tables. But this time I feel like everything just fits perfectly and like exactly true to size. So this package has been above and beyond my expectations. But back to this dress. It's super cute, very 50s, 60s coded. I do think my torso is a little too short for this to look amazing, but I think it works. I do wish there was a little tie in the waist to like accentuate a little bit. I know it's probably not the intended look and it's supposed to be a little more boxy. It's just for myself. I wish I was able to kind of tighten it. I might sew in a little string to do that. But overall, this piece is amazing. So cute, so comfortable, so summery, obsessed. Next up, we have this gorgeous dress with red polka dots. It's not quite white. On camera, I think it looks kind of yellowish, and in person, it's more like a off-white beige kind of color. It's also fully lined with a very soft fabric, and the fit is just amazing. Like, I always struggle, especially with these kind of dresses that button in the middle, that it starts gaping in the chest area, or that it's maybe then too loose in you know, the waist area if it fits in the chest, or that maybe on shoulders it's too tight and I can't move. It's not the case with this dress. It fits perfectly. It's insane how well it fits, and I'm so excited whenever I find a piece like this, and it just looks so classy and so put together. One thing though that I have to say is that I wish the lining would go all the way to the end. Like, it ends sort of like in the middle of your calves, and then there is this plain fabric. I get it, like obviously you don't need to cover anything in this area, so it doesn't fully make sense to continue the lining. However, when you're moving, you do feel it like rubbing in this, like the back of your knee, and it's a little bit tickly, so I do wish it continued all the way. But overall, I'm so happy, and I think I will be living in this dress. And also, like, it's quite a heavy dress in a good way. Like, you know that they used enough fabric and they didn't spare anything other than the lining, obviously. And it just looks rich and classy and so put together. I love it. Next up, we've got this gorgeous set with a gingham print. It's a skirt and a vest. It's giving full-on picnic vibes. I love it. The skirt is a mini skirt. It does not have shorts underneath it. Some of their pieces are more like a skirt. This one is just a regular skirt, but I do feel like the length of it is still a mini skirt, but not in a way that when you bend over your ass is out, which is perfect. And again, like, the cut is just amazing. Like, it's so true to size, and it fits as if they took my measures and just saw it exactly for my body. Sometimes I really forget how English works. Like, what's the past tense of sewing? Sewing. We're gonna forget about that. You know what I tried to say for sure. It's just such a cute piece, and the vest also fits amazingly, and you are totally able to like tighten the waist. This is exactly what I would have loved on the very first dress that I showed, just to sort of cinch in the waist and make it a little more fitting. I love that it's a two-piece, so together it kind of looks like a dress, but you can also mix and match it with literally anything. It also feels like a cotton or a linen fabric, and again, it's lined with the same kind of soft material on the inside. So it's very comfortable on the skin, and it also feels very lightweight, so it's perfect for the summer, and the same goes for the skirt. We have another set. This one is more like office friendly, kind of toned down, giving old money look, and it's shorts and a vest again. The vest actually unfortunately came with like a loose button, and at first I thought it's like, you know, you replace it if something falls off, but it seems like it was never sewn on. Like, you can see the marking of where they were supposed to sew it on, and there are no like stitches left or anything. It's just a missing button. I don't know what happened there. It's not a big deal. Like, it's obviously easy to fix. I just wanted to be transparent and point out that this is something that happened. It has happened to me with a bunch of other brands too that were way more expensive and pretend to be like a luxurious kind of brand. This vest again is fully lined with a very soft material. The back is the same kind of adjustable mechanism, so that's super nice. I think it's a great fit. Again, because it's a set, you can totally mix and match with different pieces. And for the shorts, I think again the fit is just amazing. They also have a little bit of a stretch to it, so you don't like have to worry about not fully fitting in them, and also they give so much space for the thighs. I always feel like this is something that has been always tricky for me, finding something that fits my thighs and also gives me enough range of motion. But with this one, I feel like I can do literally anything, and like it's not too stretchy, but it has a little bit of stretch to it, so even if it would fit a little tighter than it does on me, you can totally still move around freely, and when you sit down it will not cut off your circulation, which is what we're all looking for in shorts, honestly, and not many brands can get it right, but this pair is perfect. And I know that they also had it in pink. I was very undecisive when I was picking out the pieces. I went with a blue, but I also feel like the pink one would have been very, very cute. I'm obsessed with this one. I do have to say I had to put on a very specific bra to make it work because it has such a low cut, and at the moment I wasn't comfortable wearing it without a bra on camera, but I think they did everything right with this dress. They also kept in mind that when you move around, the buttons tend to gape, and they put the middle ones that are on your waist a lot closer together, so it just like, it fits so perfectly, and it's just such a lovely summery piece, and I think this is one of those that will look amazing on literally everyone. Again, one little thing though that I wish they would have done differently is taking the lining all the way to the bottom. With this one, I think it's a little more obvious to see where it ends because of the like little holes in the fabric. So it's not ideal, but still I really, really like this piece, and it's very comfortable. This dress was not a part of this package. However, if I'm already giving a shout out to this brand, I felt like I need to include the most iconic dress that they came out with. I hope you can hear me. My mic is dead, so I'm just like talking to the camera, kind of yelling. I honestly feel like this dress looks good on everyone. I've been seeing it all over my For You page on TikTok, and every single person that puts this dress on just eats it up, and I think it's because you can like fully customize this to fit your body perfectly. You can also tighten or release this bit so it fits amazing on literally everyone, and it just such a beautiful style and cut. And if I did not include this dress in this video, I think, yeah, it would have been not fair, because this is one of the best things that this brand has created. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little haul and try on. I'm so excited about these pieces. I feel like everything fits amazing and it's just wonderful for summer. But let me know what you thought in the comments, and I will see you next time. Bye!